Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Steven with 137 Adventures. Today we have a 5-minute install for the Ram TRX. We're gonna make your tailgate go from this to this. So you're gonna need a T30 and you have 8 bolts that you need to remove. Out with the old hardware, they send you some new, and you're not going to remove this, you're just going to slide this into place and it'll sit flush just like that. No bubbles. And just like that, you now have a rear hatch to cook on. Let's celebrate. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. Consider being a part of our channel and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.
That's just a... Wait a minute.
That's a sticker right there.
No, this comes off. You gotta be... The damn thing won't come off! What the hell? Oh, there we go.
You got it?
Got it.